Hey guys, Paul, Inventor 3. It's a new day, new weekend. We're ready to try to break some records today. Hey guys, Paul, Inventor 3. Alright, try to make this quick. This video is a replacement video for the one I just posted yesterday afternoon. And anyhow, right off the bat, first thing, I would like to apologize to that person that I was referring to. I mean no harm. And I want to apologize to my audience. Just after watching the video back yesterday, after it was all edited and posted already, and just looking at it in its entirety, even though I mentioned many times, I'm not attacking him. It's like, I looked at the video and I'm like, sounds like you're attacking him, Paul. So anyhow, I didn't mean to be that way. It's not me. I felt so bad. I looked like some bitter old man, you know. I'm like, geez. It was bothering me so much that I was already in bed that night, and I got up out of bed in my underwear, went to the computer, powered on, and deleted it. From YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Anyhow, I'm going to upload a better version of it this time. For you guys that don't know what I'm talking about and did not see my video that I posted yesterday afternoon, then good. Don't worry about it, please. Just skip ahead to the experiments, because I'm just explaining this to the people that might have seen it. Yeah, you got to understand, guys. Yeah, I know one person said, yeah, you know, well, one person also mentioned that, you know, recently gone through cancer, that I wear my emotions on my sleeve. It's like, well, yeah, he kind of hit the nail on the head with that one. He must know somebody that went through it or something, because, yeah, that's it. I've been so emotional. And I'm just sorry, you know, it wasn't me, okay? I'm not that type of person to be that way. I'm a little embarrassed, I'm ashamed or whatever, but anyhow, there was nothing but great comments from my subscribers. I love you guys, man. I've got the best subscribers ever. I really do. You're such good people, man. Like myself, you know, it takes one to know one, or attracts one to whatever. One person even mentioned too, you know, egos aside, we got to work together in this, you know, learn from each other and all that stuff. And it's like, yes, exactly. Well, this whole thing that happened, and see, now I feel bad. I got to talk about this a little bit more, because after everything I said, and you people saw it, so now I feel obligated to give you some sort of explanation. 4 years ago, approximately, when I tried to get the kit, and I asked for, you know, hey, can you give me a cheaper price? And instead of getting a reply like, you know, no, sorry, there's not enough room to lower the price, you know, it's the best it is, or whatever. You know, I got a reply like, hey, you know John Hutchison, why don't you ask him, or something like that. And I don't remember the exact words. And then I tried to come back and reply to him, and, you know, I just wanted to connect with this guy so badly, because we had this commonality, and I'm like, yes, we got to talk to each other, you know? Man, his ideas and my ideas, you know? So, yeah, it was, you know, did you ever, like, want to meet somebody badly, and all you did, and you opened your mouth, all the wrong things came out? Well, that must have been what happened or something. It's not like I don't remember what it was, but it couldn't have been that bad, because I'm not a bad person, so it wouldn't be like I would have just came out and said something nastily or something. But anyhow, yeah, whatever it was, I don't know. So anyhow, I just wanted to explain myself. And the other thing is, you know, even after that, even, you know, I got no reply then, and I could have swore I was even blocked from some of his stuff, but maybe I'm remembering it wrong. Forget I even said that. I could have swore, but anyhow, I remember, too, every now and then I'd leave him nice comments under his videos. Good comments, good positive comments, and never any replies. Never a reply. I'd even catch a video right away as soon as he posted. Oh, he replied to this guy, replied to this guy. Oh, make a comment. Look back at it next day or two. I see, oh, he replied to one on top of me, replied to that guy, replied to the guy under me, that guy. Just skipped right over me. It's like, what did I do? That was so horrible. I don't know. But so I'm just trying to explain things a little farther. I've given him many plugs, and probably good plugs, and probably sent lots of viewers and that over to him. I don't know if he's ever done that for me. So, yes, these things, I guess, were kind of building in me, and you know what? Now I got it out. It's out of my system. Let's see, what else? Yeah, I think that's about it. So, I do feel bad, you know. Let bygones be bygones, and whatever. Somebody doesn't like me for whatever reason, that's no problem. You know, I don't care. That's their business. So I was just, I guess, hurt. You know, I wanted to connect so bad, and then to get this kind of rejection or iced. I feel like I was iced, you know, whatever, you know. So yeah, and then, like I said, going through cancer, just being over emotional. I'm sorry, guys. I apologize to that person that I said that things about. It wasn't really anything that bad, but still. And I apologize to my audience. Now, let's continue on with the experiments. Okay? So that's me apologizing, and I'm sorry, and now you understand at least where it was coming from and why it came out. You know, I'm sorry. I really, really, truly, sincerely are. Okay, now let's get on to the good stuff. I did mention these are 10 millimeter jumbo bright white LEDs, right? Okay. See, you guys have got me going now. There's 100 LEDs lit right now. And they're very bright. I'm telling you, that's more than 25 volts each 10 LEDs. 2.5 more. I guarantee that's about 2.6 volts each LED. One coil. I think that's pretty good now. This is a completely lit room. It's still daylight outside. We'll be right back. We're at 2.05 megahertz and 12 volts only. I just had to replace this first LED there. Burnt out again right there. Not burnt out now, but anyhow, a lot of casualties in this war. We'll be back. Yeah, I keep burning out this first LED here. Trying to figure something out with that. It's not like usual circumstances here. We'll be right back. Okay, I just gotta get the timing a little bit better. My coils matched a little bit better. Get some new capacitors. Then we'll be able to use these lamps here. Seem to be working pretty good. 5 watts each. Yeah. Looks pretty good, huh? Oh, God. Okay, Uh, see you guys again soon. Huh. Yeah, funny. Half a watt. It's lighting up my entire laboratory. A half a watt. This is nothing yet. I've just scratched the surface. Hey guys, Paul, Inventor 3. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. You tell me, is this over unity or not? Is there more power out than there is in? 2.1 megahertz, 12 volts. At the most per the manufacturing, this could only put out 100 milliamps. 0.1 amp times 12 volts equals 1.2 watts at the most, powering 1,500 LEDs. I'm checking the voltage right now across the first 10 LEDs. There's 10 in series, and then all the rest are in parallel. There's over 25 volts. So it means there's more than 2.5 volts each LED. Let's see what those LEDs look like if I were to only power 100 of them instead. Woo! Oh yeah, it's bright now. Wow. Now we're closer to 2.6 volts each. Wow, it hurts my eyes. Ow. Happy New Year's, guys. Here's a shot of them at night.